What's up guys, my name is Martin. Welcome back to Excel Work. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a password for your Excel workbook. So let's get right into it. So when you open your Excel workbook, this is what you need to do. You need to, let's say we are using one of these Excels that have been made by Excel for us to use. So the next thing will be to get over here, File, and click Save As. Once you're in the Save As dialog option, you'll want to choose the place. So you can click here and add a place, or if you are conversant with where you want to save it, you can go ahead and choose. For me, I want to save it on Documents. So I'm just going to head over here and click on Documents. And then I'm going to give it a name. So here we go. I'm just going to write this new document. So, and then I'm going to head over here to Tools, and then you're going to choose General Options. Once you choose the General Options, you can check this to create a backup, but I won't. And then you're going to put your password there. So I'm going to put my password there. And then I'm going to do the same again. I want the document to be able to be altered, so I'm not going to choose this option. Then I'm going to press OK. And then I'm going to be asked to re-enter the password again, which I will offer. And then, oh, it seems I put the wrong password. Let me put it again the right way. So once you do that, it's going to create that password for that document, but you haven't saved it yet. So I'm going to press save, and once you do that, it's going to save. Once it's done, you can go to your document and check if you can be able to open that document. So I'll just locate it. Where did I save it? I saved it on Documents with here it is. So if I try to open it, or if anyone tries to open this document, this is what is going to happen. It will ask for a password. Now I can go ahead and put a password. So after inputting my password, you can see that the Excel has managed to open. Well, that's all I had for you today. Hope you learned something new. If you like this video, you can give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more of these videos, you can let me know on the comment section, and I'll be happy to follow up. This has been Martin from Excel Work. Until next time, keep working.